My name is Howard Vanetten. I'm a customer of Terry Allen's. I've enjoyed the relationship. He's given us very good service, and I like the convenience of being close. And I am now working towards a sanctuary myself with bushes and trees, and it's working out very well. One of the advantages of having For the Birds in our locale is that, as I just thought I needed some bird seed, I didn't have the pail to go with it. So I stopped before he closed, and lo and behold, he was here, and I got my pail so that the birds would have some food for tonight. This has been a great relationship, and I really enjoy coming here.